Okay, so now you know the rules of the ICI strategy, you know the rules of the WM strategy, and you know the rules of the TL-CTL strategy. Now these three patterns, as you already know, are for direction. So if you have an ICI pattern, you know the direction is either long or short. If you have a W or M formation, you know that the direction is either long or short to the neckline. If you have a TL-CTL strategy, you know that the direction is either in the direction of the break of the counter trend line or in the direction of the bounce from the trend line. So either to the upside or to the downside. Now, what about the valid entries? You already know that if you have a bullish ICI pattern or M formation or TL-CTL strategy bullish, if everything is bullish, so the direction is to the upside, then you will wait for the environment to be also bullish. So the EMA is to cut for long and the MACD to be above the zero. On the other side, if everything is bearish, so if these patterns are giving you the direction to the downside, then you will wait for the environment to be bearish. So the EMA is to cut for short and the MACD to be below the zero. At that point, you will be able to go on the 4-hour time. You're actually already on the 4-hour time frame, but you will be able to look at price action and look for one of our valid entries, which are either the market is bouncing away from a trend line. In that case, you use your strong numbers and take the long. For example, if you have a bullish scenario for these patterns, or you will have a scenario of previous resistance turn support, and you will again use our strong numbers on the high here to take the long, as I showed you. Or if you have, for example, an M formation, you will use your strong numbers to take this long. Or again, for example, if you have a counter trend line to the downside and overall the pattern is bullish, then on the break of the counter trend line and retest, then again you will use your strong numbers to take this long. So what is your job at the moment? So at the moment, you know the rules of the strategies, you know how you're supposed to apply them. Now it's the moment to basically backtest and live trade them. What do I mean by this? The first thing you need to do, you're supposed to be basically backtesting the strategies. What do I mean? Simply what we did during the session. So basically see when the market is showing you the pattern. So basically impulse, correction, impulse. Use the replay mode, go on the 4-hour time frame and look for our valid entries. Wait for the shift in momentum and everything connected to it. And that point, basically by doing that, you will be really you will become familiar with the strategies and gain confidence in them, because basically you will understand and see that they actually work, so you will be much more comfortable when you're live trading them. And also, and the most important thing, you're supposed to follow me in the daily market breakdown group, where I show you every single day, which I basically send you the daily market breakdown every single day, showing you exactly which pairs are satisfying our rules of the strategy. And that is the only way you will really, together with backtesting, you will really see how you're supposed to apply them. And that is very important, and it really helps you master the strategies. So every day you will get the daily market breakdown, and make sure you also practice on your own every day to analyze the market and see which patterns are actually near to completion. Put them on your watch list, keep following, but don't skip the part about backtesting. Always make sure you're also backtesting and live trading them with my support. This is all. Make sure you add yourself to the group. At the moment you have the rules of other strategies. Now it's your job to put in the work, backtest them, and live trade them together with me.